Ah, too bad. What do you have under the lid?
327.
Nice. 4-barrel?
Yep.
Single?
Yep.
Very good. Very good. What kind of times have you been running with this girl?
I think it only chassis searched for like a 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It looks a lot faster than that.
I'm sure it would go a lot faster, but you know, he
No.
takes it to events like this.
Yeah.
Has fun with it.
That is fun. That is too much fun. This thing's great. When did he build it?
I think he bought it. It had to be 8-9 years ago.
Ah, okay. Cool. Definitely sweet.
Yeah, they're afraid we're gonna blow out ceiling tiles if we're running inside.
Oh, picky, picky, picky.
I get it, I guess.
Yeah. I'll follow you outside. We'll fire it up outside. I'll get some good video.
Yeah. I get somebody to help push because the boss had to go unload his dragster at the shop, and then he's
Yeah.
gonna come back and load this
Come
one.
back. All right, moment of truth. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. It's 2021 Wicked Effects Coventry Car Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.